Tonight, Governor Josh Shapiro expanding on his budget proposal and how it will impact Northeastern and Central Pennsylvania.
Newswatch 16's Melissa Steininger spoke with the governor one-on-one.
I know there's a lot of people in Northeastern Pennsylvania who are just frustrated by the polarization. I think we're different, and we're showing that we're able to govern by bringing people together.
Even with a split state legislature, Governor Josh Shapiro presented a historic budget for the state of Pennsylvania, topping more than $51 billion.
Voters sent back the exact same makeup, Republican Senate, Democratic House, because they like the work we're doing. And they see us focused on common sense and actually putting points on the board, delivering real results.
Governor Shapiro looking to keep that bipartisan momentum going when it comes to fairly funding our schools. The proposal calls for $526 million in new education spending.
In this budget, Luzerne County would get an additional $37 million. Lackawanna County schools would get nearly $20 million more. The dollars are finally going where the need is.
And it's not just money for schools. He's hoping to put money back in taxpayers' pockets all across Northeastern and Central Pennsylvania.
But cutting taxes is one way to get money in people's pockets. The other way is by raising their wages. It is ridiculous that we have a minimum wage in Pennsylvania of $7.25 an hour. Hasn't been updated in 16 years.
The governor also wants to embolden the workforce, especially skilled trade workers. Shapiro says union jobs and apprenticeship programs have been ignored for far too long. There have been around 20,000 new certified apprentices since Shapiro took office, an effort that brought the governor to Northeastern Pennsylvania several times over the past year.
It is really important that we treat people with respect. It's important that we focused on skills-based learning, and that's exactly what my budgets in the past and in the future are doing.
But with a budget of this size, he's hoping for some new revenue sources, including the legalization of recreational marijuana, where he says the Commonwealth is trailing behind our neighbors.
And so we're paying taxes to New York and New Jersey, helping their kids' schools and parks and trails and police, when we should be investing those dollars here and generating the revenues here.
But the biggest hurdle is getting a budget of this size through the split state legislature. The governor is confident lawmakers can continue to get the job done as they have in the past.
I treat people with respect. I listen to their ideas and I incorporate it in our final plans and policies and laws. I think it's really important that we have more of that in our politics.
The deadline to get a spending plan signed is July 1st. Melissa Steininger, Newswatch 16.